I will explain about glitch power dissipation in VLSI. Glitch power dissipation means actually it is an unwanted transition power dissipation. Actually the transition is not required, but it will happen because of delay in path. The delay, due to delay in path, will get power dissipation or unwanted transition. Means here you can see this. We need to get the output actually 1 to 0. Output should be, input should be 1 and output should be 0. But here before getting output, so in between some unwanted transitions because of the transmission path. Here unwanted transmission paths. Here it is a long path. You can see this compared to T2, compared to T1 is a small path compared to T2. So here it may get more transitions because of unwanted transition, different paths. Actually need to get 1 to 0. 1 is input 0, but in between it may be that is may get 0 and again 0 to 1, again 1 to 0. Like this the transitions will change, will happen. That is called as the glitches. These are the unwanted glitches. These are the unwanted glitches, unwanted transitions. Because of this the power will be dissipated. That is called as glitch power dissipation. Because of unwanted switching activities, here it is not required actually, but it will happen in circuit. Any circuit may happen because of not proper designing of circuit or not proper designing of that is path and delay in circuits causes the glitches, unwanted transitions. So that is called as glitch power dissipation, and these are the different timings from A to A. If you take that is A, this is B, input B, and this is input A, this is input A. And here the different propagation delays along different paths, glitches will get. Unequal rise and fall times in inputs, these are also causes. And simultaneously the changes in multiple inputs, and these are the glitch power dissipation. This is about glitch power dissipation. So because of unwanted transitions in a circuit, you may get the power dissipation. You can see this is the path A timing diagram. In the here you can observe this. These are the in the right side where it is. In the right side you can observe this. This is the path A. This is the path A timing diagram, and this is the B path B timing diagram, and this is the A bar, and the difference is there between A and B timing diagrams. You can see this because the delays are different. That's the reason the time required to travel, the distance is also different. So due to this you may get the glitches, unwanted power dissipation. That is also called as dynamic power dissipation. Thank you.